Lost my little clicker thingy. What's up? It's me, Jersey John. Welcome to my Brash Kitchen. We're cooking dinner tonight. Looks like I'm cooking for a bunch of stoners, but it's for my family. We're doing loaded tater tots. Stick around. All right, first things first, I'm going to open a beer. No, I'm not using this for the recipe. I am drinking Sam Adams Porch Rocker, not sponsored, but it's one of my favorites. As I said, we're doing loaded tater tots. A little different though. As you can see, tater tots here. Yes, they're from the bag. I'm not a psychopath and tried to chase after the mythical recipe of the tater tot. I went and bought the ones from the store. Follow the instructions. Got ourselves some thick cut bacon, Colby Jack cheese, and a little extra ready-made chickens. I got mine from Costco. Get yours from BJ's, whatever food store you want. But whole purpose of me doing this is for quick, easy meals to make sure everybody in your family eats and eats good. I don't count macros. If you're into that shit, good on you. I like to eat. I eat healthy, but I also like to eat a lot. So we're going to get into it. First thing we're going to do is cook some bacon. Oh, yeah. And I'm doing this from the fly. So, no, I don't have all my stuff prepared like, a normal chef would. So, I'm going to crack open the bacon. I would usually fry it, but I'm not. Preheat the oven to 425 or whatever your flat pork belly stuff calls for. Get yourself a sheet pan. Yes, I already used it. It was for the tater tots. So, sue me. I wasn't dirtying another pan. I got some thick cut bacon here. Wow, it's kind of really slimy. Don't know why. It's been in the fridge for forever. Well, not forever. A couple hours. Anyway. Yoink. 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 So you can see what I'm doing. All right, bacon's in the oven. 20 minutes. Let it go. And wash your friggin' hands. While the bacon's in the oven, grate the cheese in the bowl. No, I didn't steal that line. I just couldn't think of another one to say. All right, so cheese is grated. Next thing that we're going to do is going to break out one of those chickens. Bacon's still cooking, so we got some time yet. First things first, take another sip of beer. A few things about this world. Goddamn phone again. Yoink. All right. That's better. Now, as I was saying, a few things in life that I do enjoy. One of them is a Costco chicken. 2 reasons. A, it's a lot less work I have to do. B, you can do whatever the hell you want with it. In my case, I'm making loaded tots. It is kind of slimy, especially when it's cold. So, ew. This microphone. We're going to get gnarly with it and just go in with our hands. So just tear that off. Save the skin if you want. You could always crisp it up in the oven and use it for extra stuff on top. So, like I said, just get after it. Get in there with your hands. And just start shredding. Well, now that the chicken's done, it's kind of big. Grab a chopping machete. Here's your tater tots. Well, I was just told I had to hurry the fuck up. So, we're going to make this quick. The life of being a dad and trying to be a content creator and everything else. Got the tater tots. Got your chicken all chopped up finally. Just in time for the bacon to come out. Here's your cheese. We're just going to take this bacon and we're going to crush it all up. Slide that chicken over for a second. Oh my God, he's putting the bacon on the chicken. It's all cooked. Shut up. Same knife. All right, bacon's chopped in the pot. Oh, actually, hey, look at that. I saved some. So, save a little bit for the top. Chicken goes in. That's a lot of friggin' chicken. Cheese. And get your grubby hands in there and mix it all around. Man overboard. All right. There you go. It's not pretty, but it works. Back in the oven, 425. $20 minutes. I know you're staring at my ass. That's 2 minutes, not 20. Nope, shit. 20 minutes. I'll be back. I can't see shit. Now I can. 20 minutes is up. Guess what we're getting? Pot holder so I don't burn the shit out of my hands first. Get your big ass out of that. Come over here. It's like having another child, I swear. Turn the timer off on your oven. There you go. All right. Well, it's been 20 minutes, like I said. And that's what it looks like. It looks like a hot mess. God damn it, I forgot the extra stuff. Extra bacon, extra cheese. Take whatever little bacon you have left. Right over the top. A little extra cheese. Right over the top. Yes, I know it's not melted. It's still hot. It'll melt by itself. Put that over here. Oh yeah, there's one other thing. If you really want to get fancy, get some green onion. I don't know why. It's for home. I don't need it. Either way, that's a load of tots with chicken. Other than that, stop staring at me and go cook some shit. See ya.